Season 2 of the crop update. We've learned a little and we're still guessing. Let's get to work. It's April, almost corn plant season. Troy's out here disking up the old hit with the deuce suit. I think he's a little disappointed though. It is what it is. New season, new field. Planting on higher ground this year. The way the rainwater don't flood us out. But we're a little behind. Like every good farmer, gotta wait on the weather. We gotta wait on our marketing lady. She's been in New York, so it's end of May. We're gonna get some crops in today. Put a little fertilizer down. This year, planting 2,400 seeds, roughly a pound, according to the label. Got this from our accounting guy. He knows a lot more about farming than me, so. Temptation. Got this sweet planter. Oop, a couple for the birds. We'll bury those. All right. Soil is a little rough. Told last year it's all about seed depth. So we check our depth. We're down a couple inches. Throw a little extra dirt on it with a foot. I don't think the real farmers do that, but I do. We're also told row spacing. We want about 30 inches. I'm 6. No, I'm just kidding. I'm 5'5", so roughly about a third of me. So I'll get down here. Oh, lost the mic. Right there. Jenna, can you still hear me? Jenna, we forgot to renew our GPS subscription. So we're just eyeballing it. We're stuck. Where's that first row? It's our resident farmer. He's a real farmer.
Yeah.
Jason, also on accounting. Good with spreadsheets.
Good with spreadsheets and seed technology.
Yeah.
This, I don't know about this technology here.
It's good. One row planter.
Perfect. Now, important things this year. What did we learn from last year, Dusty?
Singulation.
Seed singulation is key.
Row spacing.
Row spacing is key.
More
Yes.
fertilizer.
More fertilizer. We're gonna have huge ears this year.
Ears as big as mine.
Absolutely.
All right, well,
Let's go do it.
we're done.
Oh, sweet.
Seeds in the ground. Kellen's calling for rain. Gotta get some fertilizer. We're going with 10-10-10. I think that was used to be a collect call commercial. 10-10-3-2-20. We're gonna get the fertilizer down. Let it rain. All right. Seeds in the ground. Moisture seems to be good. Weather looks great. Now we wait. I'm a little hesitant to say this will come up on the 4th of July because that's only like 34 days. We're getting there. But it's in. I think we'll have a nice sweet corn patch this year. So for season 2, episode 1, back hurts. My coveralls are a little tighter this year, Jenna. I'm gonna have to get a new size. So summer, cutting season. That's a wrap. Jenna, you got your key?